So I'm on Amazon.com, the American version of Amazon. Just their website. I've noticed that now they've got this little badge here, Rufus. If we click on that, it'll bring up a AI chatbot. It only works if you're signed in, but a lot of people have an Amazon account. It doesn't work on the Australian website, but if you go onto the American Amazon.com site, it does come up. So there's a few little things we can ask questions. It gives you like suggestions, but you can type whatever you want, like recommend a laptop, for example, and it will, give you the basic information after a few seconds. But what you can actually also do is just basically use it as any other chatbot as well. So, for example, if I want to do some homework and I want how to compare two images using OpenCV, let's type that in. Takes a couple seconds, and basically this gives you the instructions like it would if you're using ChatGPT or any other chatbot. It will give you the whole code. It's not very user friendly because it is a only narrow window, but you can get to basically do whatever you want, and then it recommends your Amazon products like you'd expect it to. Like up here, where it recommends laptops, it also recommends books, but it also gives you suggestions, which also it could be a useful feature. Just if you scroll past the ads, you can find more information relative to the thing that you're asking it. So you can basically use it as a slightly more interactive AI chatbot, which is, I think, quite a useful feature, although I'm not sure how long this is going to last, because obviously Amazon doesn't want to waste all their processing power doing people's homework, so it'll probably be removed eventually, but I think it's just an interesting thing that you can, at the moment, still do. I think there's another thing that we could try. Any AI chatbot tends to be bad at quite a few things. For example, let's ask it to draw an ASCII octagon. Let's go hexagon. 6 sides is probably a bit more difficult. And okay, that is not any shape. I don't even know what that's supposed to be in ASCII art of. And what's the other classic one? How many? There are no letter R's in the word strawberry. What? So it takes out the letter. That's just... I expected to get it wrong, but no, there literally isn't an R there. They took out the second set of R's, but they kept the first R. So maybe don't trust everything this chatbot says. That's it for this video. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts and ideas, and subscribe so we can see videos like this in the future.